Hi everyone, my name is Jim. I've been jumping rope for about a year now. And today I'm going to start with my first jump rope tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a one-handed to two-handed transition into a jump. It looks something like this. I'll go with the left-hand side first and then the right-hand side. That would be your left-hand side. And the right-hand side would be something like this. So it's a good way to start off your routine just by doing some one-arm swing, and then you can seamlessly get into your jumping. The reason I started this is because when I first started jumping, I'd always have to swing the rope behind my back, start jumping, I would trip, and again I'd either step over the rope or I'd have to swing it behind me. I was told, no, that's not the cool way to do things. You go on a side swing and then jump. But as I was watching more and more YouTube tutorials, the guys that I really liked watching were the ones that could seamlessly go from one hand to two hand and would dance and stuff while they're swinging the rope with one arm. So that's the way I decided to go about learning it. I came out in the garage last summer and taught myself how to do this. And so it's three parts. The first part is the footwork is like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And with the rope, there's two ways you can do it. This is a more advanced way: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you're just beginning, you probably want to go like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The third part of the trick is a side swing cross, which there's probably much better tutorials out there than mine. But it's basically, you do your side swing and you jump through the loop while your arms are crossed. So you've got your rope like this, and you're going to cross them at the waist here. It creates a loop and you jump through that. Now I recommend that you don't need to be perfect at both sides of this. Just learn one side, and then when you perfected the move, then you can always learn it on the other side later. The third part of this jump is, now if I'm counting 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, I'm going to be grabbing the top handle of the rope in between the 1 and the 2 count. And what I want to do here is, even if I'm going from one hand to the next, that when I'm doing the transition, I'll cross over here, and in between the 1 and the 2, I grab that second handle, and then I go into the side swing cross. The other thing I do is, for the jumping or for the one-arm swing, it's fine if you have your handles in your hand like this, but for that last transition, I always put my finger in between those rope handles. That keeps them from getting tangled up. It also helps you grab that top rope handle a little cleaner. So again, it's like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The right hand side, it would look like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's it for the jump. I recommend that you just practice the one-arm swing. If you want to get a head start on backwards jumping, you can always practice one-arm swing backwards as well. It's always a good thing to do just to get your heart rate down if you find that you need to take a break from jumping. This is a good exercise to get into, and it will improve your jumping a lot. So that's it for my tutorial. I hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks.